In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Gemini with voice. By the end, you'll have Gemini set up as your digital assistant so you can launch it hands-free and start talking to it right away. First, open the Google app on your phone. This is the app with the multicolored G icon. Make sure you're connected to the internet since you'll be updating a few settings that live in your Google account. Next, tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. This opens your account menu. From here, choose Settings. If you use multiple Google accounts on your device, confirm you're in the one you want, because Assistant preferences are tied to the active account. Inside Settings, select Google Assistant. This is where you control how your assistant behaves on your device. Now, look for an option labeled Digital Assistant or Digital Assistants from Google and tap it. This section lets you choose which Google-powered assistant is active on your phone. On the next screen, select Gemini. Setting Gemini here makes it your primary assistant experience. In practical terms, that means when you trigger your assistant, you'll be interacting with Gemini's conversational features and tools instead of the classic assistant interface. Once Gemini is selected, look for the option that says Talk to Gemini for free and tap it. This enables voice access so you can speak naturally to Gemini without needing to type. Depending on your device, you may see a brief explanation of what's included at no charge. If your phone asks for permissions, such as using the microphone, follow the on-screen prompts so Gemini can hear your commands when you speak. Now toggle on. Hey Google. Turning this on activates the hands-free wake phrase. From this point forward, saying Hey Google will wake Gemini because you've just set Gemini as your digital assistant. This is especially useful when your hands are busy, you're driving, or you want to interact from across the room. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. If you don't see Gemini listed, it may not be available in your region or on your device yet. Availability can also vary by work or school accounts. In those cases, try again later with a personal account or check for updates to the Google app. And if the wake word doesn't respond right away, make sure you're in a quiet environment and speak clearly the first time so your phone can calibrate to your voice. That's it. You've set Gemini as your digital assistant, enabled voice access, and turned on the Hey Google wake phrase. Enjoy using your voice to get answers, create, and stay organized with Gemini.